Hey everyone, today we're diving into a quick comparison of three top CAD softwares, Onshape, Fusion 360, and Solidworks. Let's break them down and see which one's best for your needs. First up, we have Onshape. It's a fully cloud-based CAD platform built for collaboration. You can access it from any device with a browser, making it perfect for teams working remotely. Onshape excels in real-time collaboration, version control, and product data management, but it lacks native CAM and advanced simulation tools, relying on third-party apps. Next, we have Fusion 360, also cloud-based from Autodesk. It's a powerhouse for hobbyists and pros, combining CAD, CAM, and CAE in one package. It's affordable with a free tier for small businesses, and it shines in simulation, rendering, and manufacturing. However, its parametric modeling can be finicky, and the free version has limitations. Finally, we have Solidworks, the industry veteran from Dassault Systems. It's desktop-based with cloud options, known for robust parametric modeling, assemblies, and simulations. It's widely used in engineering, but it's pricey and has a steeper learning curve. So, how do they stack up? Onshape is king for team collaboration and cloud accessibility. Fusion 360 wins for affordability and all-in-one functionality, ideal for hobbyists and small businesses. Solidworks is best for complex engineering and industry-standard workflows, but comes at a premium. Choose Onshape for teamwork, Fusion 360 for versatility on a budget, or Solidworks for heavy-duty engineering. Check the chart below for details and let us know your pick in the comments. I'll see you next time.